Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Yeah, Cardano is dropping further. That is not great. But as I said before, as long as we don't have confirmation above this 55.7 cent level, we still have to assume that we might drop lower. We even dropped out of this corrective channel to the downside again. That is not a good sign. We are coming down. We can still assume we are in a wave C of a wave 2. We just have to move that on. And we are still in this green possible reversal area. Okay, so as long as we stay in this area, which goes down to 51.9 cents, we can remain here, again, as always say, carefully bullish. Even if we go below this level, as long as we're holding above 50.2 cents, we can maintain the current wave count. If we go below that level, we will have to play around with the wave count. There is still another bullish option. Yeah, there are a couple of bullish options still that we can look at. But as I said before, if we drop below this 45 cent level, then this is for me the level below which we, the bullish scenario will get very, very unlikely. Yeah, 45 cents. So we have here currently to hold. Ideally here the, 50.2 cent level. That is one that we need to hold to maintain the current wave count. Then we've got 49 cents. Again, also that a drop below 49 cents also wouldn't be good. They are like the key support levels, key levels that have structural importance and also importance from an Elliott wave point of view. But then probably the most relevant one here is the 45 cent level, and at the moment we are holding this, of course, and at the moment we can remain carefully bullish. So far it's worked out nicely. We captured here nearly all reversal areas on the chart. I mean, anybody who really traded only those reversal areas could have made a lot of money. 2 were missed. In fact, they weren't actually missed, we just went through them. So we had the direction was correct, we just went through them, so the waves were a little bit more extreme. But here's now the next area. This was the most recent one, that wave B high, and we're now coming down in that wave C. Question is, how low do we go? We already broke below the 53.1 cent level. That was one of the ideal targets. Yeah, you can see how relevant that was. We touched it and then bounced off and moved sideways, just consolidated really in a bear flag. And then move down once more, and we are still in that area here, spanning between 51.9 and 53.7 cents. So ideally we reverse from here to the upside. If we reverse, we should move up in a bullish wave 3. In that process of building that wave 3, we should break above, or we must break above that previous swing high at 54.4 cents and the wave B high at 58.2. Absolute best indication that the wave 3 is unfolding would be the move above the wave B, but there are signals that are coming before that. One signal would be that move above the 55.7 cent level, as I said before, and a breakout of this corrective channel. So if we break above this upper boundary of that channel, that will be before we reach the wave B, so it will be an earlier signal. Ideally with a retest and then moving up. So again, as long as we are holding these levels, it's all good. We can maintain the current wave count. We can continue to remain carefully bullish here for ADA. But at some point then we need to reverse in here. If not, and if we drop too far, this whole move will then be questioned in terms of being bullish still. For now, this is all still fine, but of course, probabilities are only 60% in favor of the bullish scenario, as I said before, and still 40% that we will make another lower low. I said it on the Bitcoin in the Bitcoin videos all the time that we still need to allow for different options. It's still very early here in a possible uptrend, and ADA is very, very early. We haven't even seen a wave 3 really play out here. So far only waves 1 and 2. This can either be very bullish, because if all these waves 3 play out, then we can reach really high levels. But if we don't see that movement, then we are getting here into trouble and need to look into more bearish options. But for now, it's all good. We're holding. Bear in mind, we also have the 50-day moving average here currently coming and rising slightly. As long as we are above that level, also we are technically in an uptrend. Okay, it's basically a trend filter, the 50-day moving average. All right, and that's my update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.